So hi there everyone, this is your Jamaican girl Noreen, and you can see already my fish done clean, done seasoned, done marinate and ready to go. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you are viewing for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, leave your comment, turn on your post notification and share the video with your friends and encourage them to subscribe to my channel. As you can see guys, in the air fryer I have foil guys, and that is to reduce my cleanup time. To the foil I've added some coconut non-stick spray guys, and then I added my slices of snappers. I allow this to fry for 10 minutes on each side. While that is frying guys, in another pot I've added a tablespoon of olive oil. I've added some ginger, some garlic guys, and I added a tablespoon of turmeric powder. I stir this in guys, and then add to that some onion. I've added some carrot guys, and then I add a cup of coconut milk. Next I've added a cup of vegetable stock guys. I cover this and allow it to cook in. Now family and friends, just look upon this your name, look good, smell good, can't wait for digging goodness guys. If you want to have your fried fish just like this, you can go ahead and have it. Well guys, I want some sauce with my thing. So guys, off camera I added some spice and herbs to this guys. I added some garlic salt to it, and then guys I'm just gonna add my fried fish. Just look upon this. What me tell you, say kitchen smell good can done, trust me guys. I top this off with some bell peppers and some fresh onion guys. Just stir it in, turn off the stove guys, and allow the heat to finish simmer through the fish guys. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Though guys, just look at this. It is such an awesome meal. You can pair this with whatever side you so desire. It was my absolute pleasure doing this meal for you, and I'll see you next week guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe and comment before you go. See you next week.